this, the 18,000 pound farm class. If you're just joining us here, we hope you enjoy. Get your seat marked, get things around. Our PPL, our Pro Pulling League, will be here at 12 noon with several of our classes. If things go right, we'll have a short break in between, and if our classes go longer, we will pull right through. But our scheduled is 12 noon and 6 p.m. Give him a round of applause. When that sled comes on, ladies and gentlemen, it hits him hard. You seen the look on his face when it did. It stopped him suddenly. And that sudden stop, ladies and gentlemen, is hydraulics on the back that transfers all the weight. When you watch some of these tractors run, and you look at the back two semi-axles in the back, when the hydraulics push up all the weight, all of the tires go off the ground, meaning at that point the tractor is pulling all 40,000 pounds, and we can weight this sled clear up to 60,000. When we get into the semi-class